Oh, I don't know. Oh, it's really raining out here. I don't like that. It's a little foggy, but you know, it'll be alright. Oh, I can't even open this now. I shouldn't have shut it. I'll follow you. Well, we got stuck in a little bit of rain. Stopped at the gas station while there was a downpour, and headed back to High West over here. Unfortunately, you can't do busting wheelies and all that kind of stuff in the rain. Well, not with these tires anyway. Big spaceship over there. Oh yeah, yeah. I felt a little kick when I hit second gear. Okay, we came through here busting wheelies. Sure. I don't know how this GoPro works in the rain. I guess I'm going to find out. I should have put some Rain-X on the lens, huh? Oh yeah, it's a 25 through here. Ooh. Look, this guy's got on the truck there. That's nice. That's a nice one there. Yeah, he probably did. Yeah. Yeah. When I hit second gear, it was like boom.
Oh yeah, we don't want to go down.
No. Look, watch.
Oh,
see? I told you.